So even Pakistan will be looking to ascertain what the conditions are like. Got him! First ball! That is a great start! Pakistan strike early. That's close. And given.
A bit of luck with him bowling from the pavilion, and this cricket ball is having a little bit more say than and these pitches have been used so many times. Wanted to just smoke it over the mid-off, give it a good try.
Pulled him. He drags it on, and Naseem Shah
tried to bang in. It's a healthy bottom edge.
Oh, cleans him up. Oh, what a ripper from Naseem Shah.
Yeah, it was perfectly delivered in the timing. Look at that tail. What a beauty. Welcome.
One slip in, ring up. He does well.
An easy catch there.
A slow one is chipped in the air. A fielder settles underneath and takes it.
Tries and hit it over, but straight to cover. Off the back foot. He's trying to force the pace.
Just getting out in front of himself. Wonderful catch at cover though.
Slightly wide and beautifully played. Beautifully played. This time off the back.